SHEPHERD INU. Today's money bag alert. We'll do some price prediction and technical analysis at the end of the video. You guys do not want to miss out. Welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, out the way, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We got SHEPHERD INU, the first project based on Shepherd Dog Wave on the Binance Smart Chain. We got reasons to buy, okay? None of this is financial advice. Do your own due diligence, and I ought to see you guys up in the Telegram asking questions because I was in there and it's very active. Matter of fact, if you're part of this community, go ahead and smash the like button. Leave some bullish comments about SHEPHERD INU and why you're bullish on it. They also have a BC that's going to start in about 3 hours or so, about 3 hours and 20 minutes to be exact. So you guys are going to want to be up in there and ask some questions and see what they have to say. We got Safe Degen. The SHEPHERD INU Army stealth launch will put fear in the hearts of all other memes around the world. He will be good to all that join them, so be on the lookout for SHEPHERD INU. We are taking over a city near you, okay? As far as the SHEPHERD team goes, we are a transparent work team with experience in blockchain. We have programmers, designers, and a marketing team. We chose to launch on the Binance Smart Chain to keep transaction fees low so you can end up with more tokens in your wallet, okay? We have the liquidity locked. I would like to know how long it's locked for. So maybe having this set up where they actually state how long it's being locked for. Another thing, marketing connections. This is something good. We have a marketing plan to have an organic growth marketing wallet. Each purchase and sale will go to a wallet to pay for marketing and attract more investors. So the tokenomics are buy and sell taxes 8%. Owner is followed by CZ. Maybe I would like to see a picture of it, something like that, but that's just the way that I roll. Let me know down in the comments what you guys know about it, because that's pretty epic if you ask me. We got the LP. Like they said, the LP was locked. I would like to know how long it's locked for. So these are some questions you guys can ask in the BC that they're having in about 3 hours and 20 minutes. So their roadmap goes as follows: Telegram promotion, Twitter promotions, and 500 holders. Okay, so we're on quarter 1 because they just launched, and we go ahead and go to BSC scan. We can see that they got 433 wallet addresses. So they are, chipping away at this quarter 1 goal, which is pretty impressive if you ask me, for just launching. And the chart is looking pretty healthy as well. And we're going to go ahead and get to these price predictions right now and see what's going on. We're going to add these. This is like a low cap gem. Okay, so you guys go ask some questions. We got the opportunity to be in a VC in 3 hours and 15 minutes. Go over and ask some questions about this one. As a trader, right? Not financial advice. But if I was looking at this one, this chart's looking healthy. It's holding. The wallet addresses are growing. I would like to see, right? Because we'll make this a new zero threshold. Let's go ahead and get our arrows to identify that it is holding a support. So the wallet addresses are growing. People are holding. There's some decent buys coming in. We got $557 right there. So it's growing slowly. We got support all along this line right here, right? And what we would like to see, and sometimes what we do see when there's a VC or something like that happening, we'll see a pump. But me as a trader, of course, not financial advice, what I would like to see for it to be an indication that it's go time is it breaking above here, coming back down, holding support right there, and going upwards, making higher lows once again. Right now we're trading within this channel. Having a breakout above this would indicate to me that we were going to go on a march to go attack the all-time highs, which, it's done already twice. It made an all-time high and came down to the same support area, which I want us to make support again. As we can see, it's important for us to find support in this area right here. And that area that I'm specifying is the 9 cents mark. So 9 cents, 676. Making a support above that, we would easily rock up to going up to 20 cents. So there's some money on the table if it can prove that to us. So that's all for this video. If you guys get this video to, let's say 50 likes, I'll probably do a small BNB purchase, see what's going on. Let me know what you guys like about SHEPHERD INU down in the comments. I'm going to tune into that voice chat in the Telegram to learn more about this one. It's holding pretty well. Like I said, not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. I'll see you guys in the Telegram. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.